public cloud is where everything is going to run because it's more secure and you can benefit from someone else's innovation and focus your innovation on your core competence, and there's just a whole host of reasons. You can put huge amounts of data together and do machine learning on them and all kinds of reasons, and the IT industry is like over $1 trillion industry, and if all that's moving to the cloud, it means that there's pretty big opportunity. We're pretty early in it, actually. As big as it already is, we're kind of early in it.
Right.
Yeah.
You're right. We are early in a sense, but in another sense, this is something that has been around for a while. It's an old idea. It really kind of came to the fore about a decade ago, and for many years there was a lot of skepticism in the industry even. And a lot of people questioned whether or not we would really run things in this way. But suddenly, I think that last year there was a big inflection point. It's not just Google that's moving in this direction. Amazon, Microsoft, so many startups, and a lot of that skepticism has dissipated. Now, why is that?
Yeah, I mean, the cloud's been around. I mean, like Google's 16 years old. We started in the cloud, but I think two things happen. I was just thinking about it this morning in talking with a customer. I think Amazon started talking about their revenues, and people went, "Whoa, this is a big business." And then I think the other thing that happened is, security is just front of mind for every company, every member of board of directors, you name it. And and everybody kept saying, I'm not going to move to the cloud. I got to make sure my data is secure. And all of a sudden they went, whoops, Google's got 600 plus security engineers full time. All they do is work on security, protecting, Google's 7 billion plus active user apps and all their data. So when you have that kind of scale working on security, people realize that the cloud is the public cloud, the big public clouds are the most secure place to be.
Right.
And so to go from thinking you can't go there because it's not secure enough to suddenly realizing it's more secure, I think opens it up.